What's up?
What up?
We got parts.
A whole bunch of them.
The whole turbo kit's here.
Woohoo! Turbo Wheezies? What do we call them?
Turbskis.
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 Turbskis are here. That's
Two
the
of
thing.
them. And
Two
a
Turbskis.
bunch of other stuff.
And a bunch of piping.
Yeah.
Does it come with the
The
piping?
whole kit. The whole kit.
The whole kit.
We're gonna open that now because we can't wait. We also got shocks and struts, 39-pound injectors from a Cobra, and
Terminator
340
injectors. Yeah.
340 liter per hour fuel pump. So hopefully that'll work for the fuel system. We're not going any bigger on the lines yet.
That's
May
a
end
lot of
up
liters
adding
per
to it.
hour.
It's 340 though,
That's a lot.
if you do the math.
Why is it liters if we put gallons in our car?
Because the metric system's fine.
That's true. Okay. So we got a bunch of shit to open.
Very nice.
Woo!
Now the Redneck Ingenuity, how do you move a big, heavy box, you might ask?
With some shit that holds some big, heavy, beer-bellied garage individuals.
You throw it on your creeper and
Throw
roll
it on the creeper.
Very nice. And you get a big bearded man. I don't even have to lift anything. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. It's Tokyo drifting around the Honda. Woo. And around the Acura. Damn, you think we're a JDM place.
Oh God, knock shit over.
That's just parts. Woohoo! While we're here, this is head gaskets and other gangster stuff. The carnage of what's all been taken off. Shock struts. Ooh. More carnage of what's been taken off. Injectors. I think I've maybe lost the rest.
Are these boxy
But
shitty?
it'll be all right. Got a pocket knife.
All right.
Hello, all you cool cats and kittens.
We have a turbo!
We got stuff.
T-shirt day!
T-shirt time.
I don't know. How we open it though?
Not throw it.
Very nice!
Just don't hit me in the face.
Pocket.
That'll work.
What's a lot of fucking tape? I'm not trying to cut towards you.
It's okay, go ahead. I was an adult. I knew what I was doing when I signed up for this.
Nice!
Oh shit.
Holy
It's all in its own little designated. I didn't expect this.
Me neither.
I expected a bunch of foam and some packing peanuts. Oh my God, that's awesome. Okay, I do need a chair. Well, the reason I didn't grab a chair is because I thought packing peanuts and I really didn't want to roll over them.
We start with this box.
This one doesn't appear,
Oh, I'm hopping away.
to have a
Oh.
label.
All right, so this is the Turbski kit.
The Tedskis.
Okay.
Friggin'
I
Tedskis.
don't have a label?
No, so I don't know what's in this one.
Okay.
I'm hoping it's the main piece to the puzzle.
That's probably the air.
No, this is
Yep.
I have a lot of friggin' mess.
Yeah, it's gonna be pleasant. How heavy?
They're gonna
Well, yeah, it should be, but
I mean, it's
depending on where it's coming from.
got some weight to it.
Damn. Okay.
Take it rolling. Well, I guess you can just set everything in the end of the little
I'm gonna put it back in.
back in the box.
Yeah,
After we go through
yeah.
it. Organized. See, we thought this through.
Woo!
Don't
Let's
let
get
us
it.
lie to you.
What are you doing?
So this will take the place of my AC condenser and some because it's a whole lot bigger than I thought. But
So we're gonna have to make room?
I mean, for some China parts, it feels pretty sturdy.
Mm-hmm.
So
Whoa. Can you hear the ocean? I can hear a Honda Civic.
yeah, that's typical.
That might be outside.
Yeah, it could be.
This is like a 1972 Seltzer.
That's my big hope though, is that I don't sound like a
Or a
host.
boombox.
Good word, too.
Subwoofer
Set
ports.
your speaker.
That's what this is.
Yeah, see?
See, it's
We're going a whole
like-
different route now. We're
All
turning
right.
the turbo kit into a sound system.
Okay, yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Box number 2. I believe it is a
Low pressure.
fuel pressure regulator. Is what it is actually. It's just most definitely. Again, it feels
doesn't
like a
hurt.
stout piece. Honestly, for the price of this kit and coming off of eBay, I was expecting some junkier stuff so far.
Well, we're still.
So
we're
far, it feels
We're
good.
2 parts in.
It feels
We
good.
got about 7 to 11 left.
Don't know how to perform yet, but it feels good.
I love how the box has 0 labeling on it. But then you get the boxes like
Because it's like when you order your sex parts.
that one. That one looks fun and promising. I'm so glad it's got
It's an oil
instructions.
catch can. It doesn't have instructions.
Oh, it does.
None of this comes.
It does. Look, they're right there.
Oh, this whole box is in Chinese.
Yes. So,
So
this is
just
the
by
number
touching
13
that,
meal
we may have the wrong.
with lo mein. So,
I don't know, but I know these boxes say turbocharger. So that kind
he said, ooh, the whole thing is in China. Oh, that looks cute. You okay? We lost the knife. Oh, magic.
is magic.
That's the magic of Hollywood, folks. Except for we're nowhere near Hollywood. Maybe Hollywood, Tennessee.
Is there a Hollywood entrance there?
I think so. I don't know. Maybe not. There's a Hollywood in Florida, I think. Oh, they're importante. I always see these big bouncing Betty bitches. That's a whole bunch of bees. You know what I'd be saying?
I think Doobie, no.
Do we know how many millimeters are?
It's got a big rower on here. I've got to go back and read because the measurements on these are kind of
In Chinese.
But they a whole lot of dirt.
Don't get a hernia. Too shabby. That's not too shabby.
We're going for 2 of these.
Is
That's
your
like
arm
one right here.
flexes? That's cool. It's already bolted together.
Woo. This is a T3 T4 hybrid turbo.
Okay.
So, internal wastegates. So, may end up having to clock it in, I'm sure, at some point.
Look, you can put your own little names there because it's a no-name brand. Oh, that's the pergola. Yes.
And this is where Bluey happens.
Very nice. Look, I'm gonna borrow this. I take home.
Or no, this is where Bluey happens. This is
That's what I thought. I was like, wait a second.
where I know so. Very nice!
That's one of those. We don't need to open the other one. Although we should check it for parts. Do you want to open it? Maybe it needs some flex. We shall find out. There's numero. Is it that big? Adding dramatics. Yes. Together. Numero uno turbo. Alright. Chevsky. Numero dos. Chevsky number 2, come here.
More gaskets.
Those are important.
More shit. Another big yellow rubber.
It's bad. I'm running over the tire. That one looks bigger. Test number 2. That one looks bigger.
That nice?
Same play? Okay. Yeah, it's all. Oh, we're self-quarantining with each other.
Yeah, and they come with the V-Man clamps and whatnot. And being that half of this packaging legitimately doesn't even have any English writing on it.
This one does. This one doesn't. I haven't seen any.
This one does.
Does this have Chinese writing on it, bro? No, this looks fine. Everything on here looks English. English. T3, T4. That's new one. This.
Be all your intercooler piping. Got lots of intercooler piping.
Next Christmas box.
Yeah, look at that. That's really good.
114-B.
Yeah, this one I ordered specifically because it is 114/B, which is the very special one.
You ordered too many.
I don't know what it is, but Shazam filter.
Well, tis 2 of them.
That should be the same thing.
Yeah, it's one.
Open it and see.
This one's pink.
Is it pink? Pink.
That's a big ass one. Okay. So we got 2 of them.
Turbo timer.
Everybody wants turbo timing. Yeah, that's where you went with that?
That is exactly where I went. It's the first thing that came in my mind.
Oh, well that just looks
Now,
like.
this here does feel like it came from China.
Yeah, it kind of looks that way too. That is definitely gonna be an updated part.
Eventually.
I can see that being.
Oh, now we have a black box with no writing on it. Ah, boost controller.
Very nice. Is that an adjuster? Ah.
You don't have enough boost?
We have another box with no writing.
Ah, very necesito.
Who that?
Some hose plant. Ah, blow off valve.
I was just about to say.
Just blow
So
off.
this is actually a unicorn trumpet.
It
Used to
should
make
be.
the- Right? It should make that whoops.
Yeah,
noise.
that's not.
It looks like a horn. It's cute. No directions. Thus far.
None of this has drugs.
At all, you sure? It said that?
How you know when I asked them for it?
It said absolutely
They
not.
kind of told me that we were all right.
That's why we're doing the videos.
But nice.
Between that and,
Looks like we got some heat wrap.
oh, I love that shit. I put that on my motorcycle. It was wider than that, but
Yeah, this kind of some really small heat wrap.
there's a bug in here.
We do have some heat wrap.
It's a 1 inch.
Oiling kit number 1.
Okay. Basic.
Not very.
Really?
Yeah, this is where we have to tap the oil pan, final pressure.
I meant these are basic fittings. It's like nothing
No, I'm assuming.
special.
Oh.
There's numero 2.
We're gonna figure out how to make it work. Yep.
We don't make it happen.
Boost gauge,
Really?
because you need to gauge your boosts.
I didn't know they were gonna send you one of them. Well, that's hella cute.
Yeah, I'm bring that too.
Yeah.
Now this is the part we've all been waiting.
That's it.
I don't know what it is. What we've been waiting for.
It's ready. That's a good start. Now there's certain parts that I don't know what they are. I'm not sure if he has the same.
Glorified fuel filter.
That's what it looks like to me, but I don't know. Oh, it's a stash can.
Glorified fuel filter.
Is it fuel or air?
Oh, it's definitely not there.
So that's gonna fill up with oil?
Fuel.
I mean fuel, sorry.
Assuming, unless it's.
Oh, it doesn't, I thought it was gonna shoot. Well, no, see, look at it, lined up.
Nah, it's not. I just gotta say.
We'll make it work.
Yeah. Little rectangular box. Has a little non-rectangular. Probably don't know what this is. It came with like a little slimline cooling fan, which may come in handy because mine may be too big.
Oh, it won't fit after you put everything in.
Look at that.
You're definitely gonna need more than one.
Ugh.
There's the number 2.
This thing is heavy.
Does it?
Yeah.
Manifold? No, manifolds are probably over here.
Yeah, we don't have the manifold yet.
Nah, I'll take care of that.
Which is the main,
I did that.
the main piece I'm
I don't
concerned
think that
with.
would be a minute. And, that's a little too small.
That's it.
Huh?
I don't think it's a manifold. Ah, battery relocate kit. Very nice.
Oh,
Battery's going to the trunk, so
That's not gonna be enough.
should be.
Is it? How many feet is it?
7,428.
Oh, duh! If it was 7,427, we'd be screwed. Alright.
This is the battery tray. So.
Oh,
Yeah, that's good. I mean, when they say it's complete, I mean,
I broke that last
down
battery
to your
tray, so,
battery relocate kits. Like I said, love piping in here. You know, I still have yet to see the actual exhaust. Now, see there?